Hey everyone, Nick here from bundleIQ. I want to show you something pretty cool I discovered that I didn't really think about this use case, but I would imagine that there are some people out there that probably have their employee directory inside of Notion or contacts or some kind of CRM-esque type management system that they've set up using different Notion templates. What you're looking at here is basically an email that I'm creating to do some outreach to some SMEs so that I can start to get some more B2B traction with bundleIQ and Notion. Mind you, we just launched the integration on Monday, and so far it's going pretty well, but I need to do some direct outreach to Notion customers. So if you're one of those customers currently using Notion and you would like to use Bundle, happy to do a demo, but for the sake of time, I just want to show you what I came across. So go ahead and just look down here in the right-hand corner. You're going to see the AI. It says 20 right now, but I want to show you that as you start typing, it's going to start spinning and thinking, and then basically what it'll do is come up with a notification saying, hey, I have a bunch of stuff in Bundle, but you've got 4 things here from Notion, and it's got this relevance score here that is basically 0 to 100. So this one's got a really high relevance score. I have no idea what this is. I think it's part of like the Notion templates that kind of come with a default workspace. But if I were to click on Delaney Beatty, I have no idea who that is. It's not like a contact of mine or anything. And it's always slow to load when you're doing video recording. But you can see here that this is part of the team directory, and Delaney Beatty is the head of sales. So it's quite interesting because what Bundle has suggested is in looking at sales-related content, bundleIQ connected me to Delaney Beatty. So if this was somebody that was maybe one of my coworkers, I could reach out to her and maybe get some tips on how to reach out to prospects and cold email. So I thought that was pretty cool. It's just one of probably many examples with Bundle, but yeah, we'll share this one out. It's going to be a raw video, so I apologize if it's a little rough, but yeah, I'm excited to share Bundle with you, and I hope you get some value out of it. And if you do, just hit me up and let me know at Manaki on Twitter or at bundleIQ on Twitter, and would love to chat. Cheers.